Now let's talk about drawing arcs in AutoCAD. So for drawing arcs in AutoCAD, we have 11 different tools for that. And if you want to access the arc, in that case, you have to go to Home tab, and there you will find this draw panel, and here you will find this arc tool. So just simply click on this drop down button. So let's simply click on that. And you can see that we have 11 different tools for that, and you can see in 11 different tool, you can see we have these three categories. So we have this start center end start center category, and then we have the start end category, and we have this center start category. So you can see why I'm talking about this, because if you look at these first two, the first two are same, only the third one is changing. You can see end angle length, and here if you notice, you can see start end are same in these three, and only the last one is changing. Same goes for this one as well. We have this center start, and then you can see what exactly is changing, end angle and length, and at the end we have this continue. So in this video I am going to explain you this 3-point and this start center category. So let's see how we can draw a circle with draw an arc with the help of these. So let me first of all choose this 3-point. So I have chosen the 3-point, and then I will click on this first point, then I will click on this second point. This will be my second point, and after that I will take my mouse cursor to this third point. Like that, you can just simply draw an arc like this. You can see I've drawn an arc with the help of these 3 points. Let me just simply select this and delete this one from here. Now let's talk about the categories. So let me just simply go here. So let's talk about this first category, which is start center end, start center angle, and start center length. So first of all, let's start with this start center end. So for that, I have to first of all I have to specify the start point, and then I have to specify the center point, and at last I have to specify the end point. So let me just simply choose this start center end. So this will be my, let's say this will be my start point, this will be my center point, and for end point you can just simply take your mouse cursor like this, or you can just simply take your mouse cursor here. So this will be at 90 degree, this will be at 180, this will be at 270, and this will be at 360. Now let's say I want to draw a circle, I want to draw an arc like this. So I will just simply click here, and I can just leave it like this. Now let me just simply delete this one from here. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use this start center and angle. Just simply click on that. So let me just simply choose this start point, just simply click on this end point, and after that I have to specify the angle. So you can see that this angle, currently this angle is at 0 degree, and this one, as I'm taking my mouse cursor in the anti-clockwise direction, it is measuring the angle. So this one is at 90 degree. Again, this one is at 180, this one is at 270, and this one is at 360. Now let's say I want to draw an angle of 45 degrees. So all I need is just to simply enter 45, and then I will hit enter, and you can see I have drawn an angle of 45 degrees. So what exactly the angle is, let me show you. So if I draw a line from this point to this point, the angle between this horizontal line and this line will be 45 degree. Now let me just simply delete this. Okay, now let's look into another one, which is start center length. So let me just simply click on that, and here let me just simply click on the start point, then this will be my end point, and then after that you have to specify the length. So the length is actually equal to the chord length. So this is the chord length. You can see as I'm taking my mouse cursor, this dotted line is the chord length. So let's say I want a chord length of 10 units. So I'll just simply enter 10, and then I will hit enter. You can see this is the chord length. So let me show you how this will look like. So I will just simply go to line, and if I join this line from this point to this point, this will be my chord length. Let me press escape. So this will be my chord length, and this is equal to 10 units. So this is all about start center category arc.